welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on YouTube in quite some time. I really don't have an explanation. It's just, I'm just trying to figure out my life right now. I'm in that time, I'm at that age actually where I'm trying to just figure out who I am and everything, and I enjoy doing YouTube videos, but yeah, I was just away a little bit, and I'm trying to work to get my realtor's license, and I work with my dad. He has his own business, so I'm doing that, and it's just like life getting in the way, and you just lose track and you kind of forget of what you really enjoy doing, if that makes sense. I don't know if that kind of makes sense or not, but like I really do enjoy doing YouTube videos. It's my time where I could just relax and talk to you guys. You guys are like my friends, and we just, you know, share the same passion, and that is luxury. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Today's video is going to be my luxury birthday haul. It is only 2 gifts that I bought, one for myself and my fiance bought me a gift, and they're both from Gucci. I really have been loving Gucci right now. And yeah, my birthday was May 9th, and I know it's like a late video, but yeah, so let's get right into this video. So I think I'm going to start off with the gift that I got for myself. I always had my eye on this item and never bought it. I can't give it away. Oh my god, I almost gave it away. Can you believe that? Okay, anyway, here are the 2 bags. One's a bigger bag than the other. This is the one that I got for myself. So look at this packaging. You know, I kind of miss the classic black and white packaging from Gucci. Even the way the bag felt was like textured, and it was really nice. I like it. I like the green, but I just do really miss that black and white like classic packaging. I don't know what about it, but this is really nice as well. The bag has this green, and then it has Gucci all on the top of it and on the other side, and it's just a really nice bag. So the first item, this isn't going to be a true unboxing by any means. I have used these items literally non-stop since my birthday. So yeah, this one came in this box, but it came all wrapped nicely. I bought this in store, bought both items in store. This is the little insert it comes with, like a thank you card and your receipt and everything. So that's in there, and then it came in a ribbon. The ribbon is green, so it came like that. And here is the lovely box. This is also the newer Gucci boxes. It's green with this little design on it. I don't know if you could see it that well, but it is really nice. The texture is nice as well. And I guess you guys already know what this is. I don't think I ever mentioned this item. I don't even know if it's on my wish list. I don't think so, but I always had my eye on this item. I really love it. So yeah, this is the dust bag that it comes in. It's like a tan color. It just says Gucci right there. And the item that I got was, dun 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 dun, yes, the red Gucci Marmont card holder. This is such a nice card holder. I love the material. I love the chevron print on it. The gold hardware with the red just makes it pop so much, and I just love it. And I have the fold over wallet from Gucci, the Disney collection when they had it, and I love that card holder to death, but I just wanted something smaller and slimmer. And yeah, so I got this. I got it in the red. I do want it in the black, but I think I'm gonna wait until I go on vacation to get that. But I love the red. The red was the one I was so drawn to, so I got it for myself for my birthday. I turned 25 this year, and yeah, I just treated myself for working hard, and yeah. So this is what I got. This is the first item. The item my fiance bought me, I'm so lucky and happy, and he totally surprised me with this item. I was so shocked. I had no idea. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm super excited. I've been wanting this item for so long, and I've been loving using it as well. So this is the bag that it comes with. Again, like the other one, but just bigger. And here is the box. I love this box. I love the magnetic opening and closure of the boxes, and this is not a true unboxing once again. It's not even in the dust bag, honestly, because I forgot it in my car, and I just didn't feel like getting it in my car. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is the box it comes in. And it's not a video without me messing up my words, honestly. Open it sideways like this, and it came so nicely wrapped. Like, I love when luxury brands put it in tissue paper. It just, you know, the packaging is a part of the experience, and I just love it when they take their time to package it and put, you know, the effort into make it worth your while, if you will. So yeah, this is the packaging, the tissue paper, I mean, I'm sorry. This is what it looks like. It's really, really nice. And the item that I got is in here. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited. There's a little peek, and the item that I got is, dun, 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 yes, the Gucci Mini Marmont, Super Mini Marmont, right? Is that what you call it? Super Mini Marmont. And I got it in the red color. I know I'm more of a black neutral kind of gal, but I wear neutral colors, we know this, in my wardrobe. I mean, I'm wearing a black shirt, and I just felt like having a pop of color to my wardrobe is a nice touch. You can have items or accessories that just like make your outfit pop. So I went with the red because I love the red against the gold. It is such a beautiful combination. It looks way brighter than it really is in real life, but this is what it looks like. And it has a chevron print on the front, and in the back it is so cute. It has a little heart. I mean, people hate the heart and some people love the heart. I honestly love the heart. It's such a cute touch, and it's in the back of the bag, so it doesn't really bother me. And I mean, yeah, I just think it's a cute touch to it. So I want the red, and the strap is in here as well. Guys, let me tell you, this strap is the best quality strap I've ever had in my collection. I love Gucci straps because I love how, like, it looks like a thin strap, but the weight of it is so freaking nice. When I tried this on a long time ago, I just was so impressed with the quality of the strap. It's so versatile, and just the strap, I was just so impressed with the strap. And obviously the bag itself is a stunner, but I just thought the strap wasn't going to be such good quality. So I am in love with this strap. If you guys could feel this strap right now, I would definitely let you guys feel it, but it is so nice. And it is detachable. That is a plus for me. I love straps that are versatile, if you can adjust them or if you can take them off or anything like that. So with this strap, they have these little D-rings right here. You could take it off and have this be like a little clutch or a wallet, or just like an accessory pouch, or use it in your bigger bags and everything like that. So I love how versatile this bag is. I do plan on doing a what's in my bag for this bag, how you can style it and how many ways you can wear this strap, because it's endless, literally. I've seen so many videos on how people use this strap in so many different ways that makes the bag wear differently. Quite impressive on how people have used this strap. So I will definitely do a video on that for you guys. And also a review. I've had this for about a month now, and yeah, I'll do a first impressions and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday. I'm super happy with this bag and my card holder. I'm very lucky and blessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.